Guys, welcome back to another episode of the Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard case. In today's video, we will talk about how Amber Heard is trying to deceive the court. She has been in the doldrums since the case started. In fact, she has changed her views multiple times. Now all she has to do in court is to weep and save herself from embarrassment. Someone should tell her that the court is not ruled by emotions. You need to have solid evidence, and the evidence is now all turning in favor of Johnny Depp. The court just gave Johnny Depp permission to look at his ex-wife Amber Heard's phone. He says it will show that she made up the injuries she says he gave her. The Pirates of the Caribbean star is suing Heard for $50 million for libel. He says that Heard changed pictures that showed her with two black eyes, which he says the actor gave her in 2015. At depositions, Ms. Heard's attorney has frequently presented these false images. Makeup company Milani Cosmetics posted a video on TikTok that seemed to contradict what Amber Heard's lawyers said in actor Johnny Depp's defamation case. In their opening statements, Heard's lawyers said that during her relationship with Depp, she used the Milani Cosmetics Conceal Plus Perfect All-in-One Correcting Kit to hide bruises that her lawyers said were caused by domestic violence. This was what she used, the attorney said in his opening statement. She became very adept at it. You're going to hear the testimony from Amber about how she had to mix the different colors for the different days of the bruises as they developed in the different colors, and how she would use them to touch those up to be able to cover those. Heard's attorneys held up the makeup kit in court while talking about Heard's alleged bruises. While they did not mention the brand or the kit by name, the gold letters Milani were visible on the front of the product they had. And Milani Cosmetics later said it was one of its products. This is what Amber carried in her purse for the entire relationship with Johnny Depp. Heard's attorney said while holding the kit, "She's an actor. Can you honestly think she would have left her apartment ever without makeup? Do you think that she ever wanted other people to see her bruises and her cuts?" But Heard filed for divorce from Depp on May 23, 2016, and the correcting kit was released in December 2017, according to Milani Cosmetics. Milani Cosmetics even posted a TikTok video, which has been viewed more than 5 million times, showing video from the courtroom juxtaposed with what appeared to be internal documents about when the kit was released. Milani Cosmetics can confirm that the palette in question, the Milani Cosmetics Conceal Plus Perfect All-in-One Correcting Kit, did not launch until December 2017. A spokesperson for Milani Cosmetics said in a statement, "Our video was to verify the claim that our eagle-eyed and loyal fanbase made about the product named in the trial." The company added that it is not taking a formal stance on the trial, evidence, or future outcome of the case. A source familiar with the situation who's close to Heard said her attorneys were simply using the Milani kit as an example of the kind of makeup that she used, adding that it's a sad day when a makeup company uses that as an opportunity to make light of what victims of domestic violence have to do to hide the results of the abuse they endure. Depp and his attorneys, following a meet-and-greet meal at the former Pirates of the Caribbean star's Los Angeles home, testified in court last week that Heard suffers from borderline personality disorder and histrionic personality disorder. That estimate is based mostly on a 12-hour session between Curry and Heard late last year. Curry was pretty calm under cross-questioning despite being pressed aggressively by Heard's side. Still, Heard's side made it clear that Curry's view of borderline personality disorder is the same as the names Depp has called Heard on audio tapes of their fights, which were given to the jury in Escarte. In another tale, Heard claimed that Depp assaulted her by hitting her with a bottle. When she awoke, Marilyn Manson music was playing and she noticed something brown on the wall, which she later realized was blood. Depp has previously testified that his finger was severed and that he used his blood and paint to scroll messages on the walls of one of the couple's residences. Depp testified that Heard became enraged, flung a bottle of vodka at him, and chopped off his finger. Heard said in court that she was attacked the night before and woke up to find writing on the wall. She then found out that Depp had hurt his finger. Depp said in court that he first told physicians that he had damaged his finger in accordion doors because he didn't want to admit that Miss Heard had thrown a vodka bottle at him and severed his finger. Heard said she was also bleeding, but she wasn't. There was no evidence of her wound. Furthermore, the audio recording clearly shows that it was Amber who made all the mess. She was the one who started throwing bottles at Johnny Depp and injured him. Amber lied about having another fight in the morning, despite the fact that the recording clearly shows Johnny wasn't even there. She further explained in a cunning way that she wasn't thinking about that agony. She felt awful. Suddenly, she realized she was in pain because she was bleeding. But she persuaded herself that if it wasn't shattered or the bottle wasn't smashed, it would be far worse, and the agony was nothing compared to the anguish that she had recently married this man. But the audio tape didn't even mention anything related to her injury. No one in that room has noted her injury at that time. It seems impossible in that case when she was also bleeding. So, this all exposes that Amber is trying to deceive the court. We will keep you updated as the case progresses to its conclusion. Until now, it appears that Johnny Depp is riding the tides this time. If you liked the video, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.